Hello dear students, this is Manoj Patil sir welcomes you in today's mathematics offline session. Today we are going to study about theorem 6.8 and example number 15 of exercise 6.5. So let's start now. Theorem 6.8 statement is, in a right triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, right? So here it is given that in triangle ABC angle B is 90 degree. You can see here angle B is 90 degree. What is to prove? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is, AC is a hypotenuse here, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is to prove. Now what we need to do, we will draw perpendicular from point B to AC. So let us draw perpendicular. So this is perpendicular BD, we can say, right? Now in triangle ADB, and ABC, so we can see that angle A is common, right? And angle D is 90 degree while angle B is 90 degree. So here we can prove that triangle ADB similar triangle ABC. This we have proved in previous theorem, that is in theorem 6.7. Okay, this is already proved. So if the triangles are similar, we can write the corresponding sides are in proportion, and therefore we can write here AD upon AB equals to AB upon AC. Okay, therefore by transposition we will get here AD multiplied by AC equals to AB square. Let this be equation number 1. Also we can say that triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. This also we already have proved in theorem 6.7. So using theorem 6.7 we can write this triangle BDC similar triangle ABC. Okay, and therefore we can write corresponding side ratios are in proportion. So we write here CD upon BC equals to BC upon AC. Okay, and therefore we'll transpose this one. So CD multiplied by AC equals to BC square. Let this be equation number 2. Now let's add equation 1 and 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, and therefore what we'll get here? So AD multiplied by AC plus CD multiplied by AC. So here AD multiplied by AC plus CD multiplied by AC. On right hand side we'll get AB square plus BC square. Now here you can see this AC is common in both the terms, therefore AC into bracket AD plus CD, right, equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so we'll write AC AD plus CD is nothing but the AC, you can see in the diagram. Okay, so AD plus CD we will write here AC equals to AB square plus BC square, and therefore we will write here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, and hence it is proved. Hope you understood this theorem. Now let's study example number 15 from exercise 6.5. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC. such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. We have to prove that 9AD square equals to 7AB square. Okay, so what we have to do, we will draw perpendicular from A on BC. So let AE is perpendicular to BC. Draw AE perpendicular to side BC. Now what is given here? BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. Now we know that perpendicular, that is what altitude in triangle equilateral triangle also is a median. Therefore A is a median, and therefore we can write BE is equal to half of BC. Okay, now DE we can write DE is equals to BE minus BD, correct? So what is BE? BE just now we wrote that it is half of BC, and BD is what? BD is 1/3 of BC. Okay, so we can write here that if you cross multiply this, 3BC minus 2BC upon 6. Okay, and so we get DE is equals to 1 upon 6 BC. Understood this much? Now consider triangle AED. This is a right angle triangle. So in triangle AED we can write AD square equals to AE square plus DE square using Pythagoras theorem, right? And so we can write here AE square equals to AD square minus DE square. Okay, let this be equation number 1, right? Also in triangle AEB, you can see this AEB is also right angle triangle AEB. Okay, so we can write here AE square equals to AB square minus BE square, right? This is equation number 2. This is also using Pythagoras theorem only we can write. So if you see equation number 1 and equation number 2, then in both these equation left hand side is AE square only, and therefore from 1 and 2 we can write, from 1 and 2 we can write AD square minus DE square equals to AB square minus BE square, right? Now we'll do transposition here. So we can write here AD square equals to AB square minus BE square plus DE square. Okay, so AB square will keep as it is, and what is BE? BE is 1/2 BC, right? So we'll write here 1/2 BC bracket square. And what is DE here? DE is 1 upon 6 BC. So we'll write here it is equals to 1 upon 6 BC bracket square. So here we have written BE and DE in the form of BC. Okay, so here AB square, this is nothing but the 1/4 of BC square, and this is square of 1/6, that is 1 upon 36 BC square. Okay, so AB square, let's take these things in common. So what we can write here? Here we can write BC square upon 4 minus BC square upon 36. Now here LCM of 4 and 36 is 36, and therefore we can write here AB square minus, this is 9 BC square, right? 9 4 is 36 minus BC square upon 36. Okay, so here we can write AB square minus here 8 BC square. 9 BC square minus 1 BC square is 8 BC square upon 36. Okay, So here AB square minus, now this both numbers are divisible by 4, so we can write it is 4 2s and 4 9s. Okay, so here we can write 2 upon 9 BC square. Now as this is equilateral triangle, so AB equal to BC equal to AC, right? And therefore what we can write, AB square minus 2 upon 9 AB square. Instead of BC we will write here AB. Okay, so here 9AB square minus 2AB square upon 9. Okay, so here 9AD square equals to 9 minus 2 7AB square. Hence it is proved. Hope you understood this, dear students. Thanks for watching.